Please, if you find out that your laptop cannot on, don't rush to take it to a technician. Just watch this video to see how to fix this simple issue. If wetin I dey do dey sweet you, please don't forget to like, share and comment. Let's go and watch this video straight.
Don't rush to take your laptop to a technician, okay? If you find out that your laptop can't on again, this is what to do to fix that problem by yourself, okay? Now, first of all, unplug the cable, the power cable, unplug it, okay? Now, turn the back and remove the battery on your laptop, okay? After removing the battery, now open that laptop and come to the power button of that laptop. Hold it, don't leave it, just hold for 2 minutes to 3 minutes, okay? When you do that, what will happen is that you will discharge all the current on the motherboard, and you will also discharge the battery on the CMOS battery, okay? You know, all the laptop, all the computers have wristwatch battery, tiny battery on the motherboard, okay? Now, when you hold this power button, you are going to discharge all the current on that battery, okay? So after that, what you will do now is to remove, don't put the battery back, okay? Now, plug the cable again and leave it for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, turn it on that laptop again. When you on the laptop, you will see that laptop is going to turn on. Yes, okay? So if your laptop is having problem, before you take it to technician, do this thing first and thank me later. Don't forget to share. This is the Motu Network.